Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm going to show you a cherry blossom nail idea for beginners. I'm using nail art stickers for the cherry blossoms. Start off with a base coat. The base coat creates a barrier to protect your nails and may be fortified with vitamins or minerals. I'm using the Sally Hansen Diamond Shine base and top coat. Once the base coat is dry, I painted on my white nail polish, Sally Hansen Insta Dry in Pink Pursuit. On the other nails, I painted on my pink nail polish, Sally Hansen Insta Dry in Sugar Poppy. Once the first coat is dry, paint on a second coat to enhance the color and make it look more even. Clean up the edges with nail polish remover and a brush or cotton swab. I'm using nail stickers for beautiful yet quick and easy nail art. Just cut out the sticker, remove a protective film, dip it in water for about 10 seconds and set it on your nail. Cover it with a layer of top coat. This was my cherry blossom nail art inspo. As a challenge to you, instead of throwing out thickened nail polish, try adding a few drops of nail thinner to renew its consistency, or nail polish remover when the bottle is near its end. Mix well by flipping it up and down and moving the brush around. I'll be releasing a cherry blossom makeup look to match this nail art tutorial, so watch out for that video too. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me if you did. Thank you for watching.